Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to be doing a skincare makeup sample organization video. Yes, because I have been ordering from K-beauty websites for quite some time for the past few years, and if you know anything about K-beauty websites is that they send a lot of samples with each order. So my collection has kind of accumulated throughout the years, and I wanted to organize them today because I know that some of them are already expired, and I don't want to just wait for them to sit there and expire and then have to throw them away. And every time I travel or go on a plane ride, I always tell myself that I'm gonna be using those samples. But I don't, because I always bring my full-size items since I already have a routine and I don't want to like mess up my skin because I wanted to incorporate some samples. But yeah, I hope that this organization will help me incorporate it into my skincare routine. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna organize them, and I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, let's get started. So this is the drawer that I keep most of my samples in, and as you guys can see, I kind of just piled everything in. It's kind of messy. And then I also keep some of my samples in a small Gudetama makeup bag. I think it's really cute. But yeah, so this is all of my samples. So first I'm going to separate them into 3 piles: expired, almost expired, and new. And then I'm going to separate the skincare and makeup samples. And then at the end I'm going to put them back into the storage bin and the makeup pouch. So here I'm just laying everything out and putting them into the 3 categories. For the expired ones, I look at the dates. If they've already passed, then they go into that category. And then for the almost expired ones, if they are only a few months away, then I put them in that category so that I'll be aware to use them very quickly soon. And then for ones that are about half a year or more away from expiration, then I put them in the newer category so then I can use them later on. After the first step, this is what it looks like now. On the far left is the newer category, so these are pretty far away from expiring. And then in the middle is the almost expiring category, so this one has the most samples, and these are pretty close to expiring, probably 1 month or a few months away. And then on the right is the already expired ones, so I'm probably going to throw away these, but for products like hand cream, I feel you can still use them. So for these 2 hand creams, I'm going to just open them and use them. Step 2 is to categorize them between skincare samples and makeup samples. So now I'm just going to separate those 2 types. So this one is the newer makeup samples, and this one is the newer skincare samples. And these are the almost expired makeup. As you can see, there's a lot of BB cream and primers. And then these are the almost expired skincare products. The third step is just to put them back, and I'm going to be putting the newer ones in the back while the older ones are going to be in the front, just so I can reach them easily. And then I'm also going to be putting the makeup items into the makeup pouch, just so I can differentiate between skincare and makeup. Now I'm just organizing them back into the drawer, and I'm trying to be as neat as possible and putting the old ones in the front so I can reach for it before I reach for the newer ones. These are the ones that I'm going to be throwing away, and they're actually less than I expected. And then this is the final look of the sample organization. So I put the older makeup samples into this pouch. Since the newer makeup only consists of like 3 samples, I just put them in the drawer as well. And in the drawer you can see that in the back consists of the newer samples, and in the front are the older ones. And then I feel like it looks a lot neater now. We're done! Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you also have a lot of skincare samples, and for those of you guys starting school, good luck, and for those of you guys still on summer break, have fun. So